Teddy, where are you?
Welcome to Chiang Mai! We're riding airport taxi from the airport going to our Airbnb is only 150 baht. How many minutes ka going there?
About 15 minutes.
Oh, for 15 minutes. So,
Mura. Barato.
barato lang. Grabe, ang hirap ng my toddler kasi pag hindi siya moody, wala, malikot siya. Kaya masakit ang mga katawan namin.
Hello, Teddy. You are here in your mini Airbnb. Wow. Overlooking.
Ito na yung first night namin. Dapat pupunta kami sa night bazaar. Ang problema, bumuhos ang napakalakas na ulan. Dito na lang kami kakain. Dahil gutom na kami. Ito, nag-order si JR ng sabaw. Si Teddy naman naghanap ng rice. Pilipino talaga tong anak ko. And mura yung food dito sa Chiang Mai. Napaka-friendly din ng mga tao. At higit sa lahat, napakasimple ng buhay. Dito, kinabukasan, pumunta kami ng Ningman Road, which is medyo high-end yung place. I think ito yung medyo touristy. But it's okay, carry naman.
Anong kinakain mo? Anong iniinom mo pala?
Gusto ko kumakain. Second time.
Ng alin?
Coconut.
So we are here in Wan Niman Market. Gusto sana namin mag-Japanese food. Kaso dito na lang kami sa Murabels. Parehas lang din naman yung burp.
Sarap ng panahon dito sa Chiang Mai. Very laid back ang buhay.
Laid back din siya. We are going to Maya Mall. Nakatapos lang namin nagpa-foot massage ni JR and it's a life-changing experience. Grabe. Parang ang gaan ng paa ko. Para na akong walang paa. Sobrang gaan niya. At tapos na kami kumain ng street foods. Babalik kami ng mall kasi kailangan namin mag-grocery para si Teddy may kakainin. Magluluto ako sa bahay ng chicken adobo siguro or pork adobo. Depende sa meat na mabibili namin dito. Teddy, kakagising lang. It's already 7 in the evening. And ano pa, alas 4 pa ngayon sa Abu Dhabi. So, kaya ito yung nap time niya. Hi, Teddy! Hi, we are here in cafe number 39 in Chiang Mai, and this is a beautiful place to relax and to enjoy. Napakaganda ng panahon. I'm with Teddy and JR. It's so nice and relaxing here. Yung disadvantage lang, or it's not about a disadvantage, pag meron kang toddler, wala na yung super lakaran like going to the temples, going to somewhere else na you walk the whole day. But when you have little girl, kailangan maghanap ka ng place to relax. At the same time, they also enjoy, and you also enjoy. We just order some refreshment. This is our first meal of the day. Pero pupunta kami mamaya sa isang coffee shop ulit na it's a nice place also. I found it in TikTok and malapit lang siya. We will use Grab na transportation kasi we don't have car or we didn't rent any motorbike. My love, anything you want to add?
Hi, para kami sa resort Pwede kayo magtayo ng business, okay? If you're in the Philippines, it is a good investment.
So, si JR, nagkakaroon na siya ng idea when and what to do when you settle down. Char. So, by God's grace, napakaganda talaga ng Chiang Mai. Parang ito yung magandang retirement na lugar. Napaka-laid back lang niya. And, yun, walang pressure. At saka mura yung mga bilihin. Hi! We are in Chom Cafe. Lumipat kami from number 39 coffee shop. So, dito kami magla-lunch. The place is very relaxing. Para siyang enchanted na forest. Makikita nyo dito na napakaganda ng view.
Sino ka daddy yun? Sige, Marimar.
After number 39 coffee shop, we are in Chom Cafe na napakaganda yung lugar. It's very relaxing sa mainit na panahon na para kayong nasa forest. After eating here, we have to go home muna to take rest kasi si Teddy, magnanap siya. Then later, we're planning to go to Ping River and then night market na naman.